Hello children, good morning. Children, in the previous class we have learned about the Democratic Republic of Congo's vegetation, climate and animal life. And in today's class we are going to learn about the lifestyle of the people. Due to the hot and humid climate, the people of Congo lead a harsh life. The country of Congo is less populated and the people who live in this region belong to Bantu tribe. The tribal people clear the forest and build the huts raised on wooden platform to protect themselves from heavy rainfall. You know children, the houses of these people need to be rebuilt frequently. Why? Because as the wood gets damaged due to heavy rainfall, the people of Congo region suffer from many dreadful diseases like malaria, yellow fever, etc. due to dense or thick vegetation. And people wear light cotton clothes which is suitable for hot and humid climate. Then let us learn about the pygmies. Pygmies are the primitive people who live in the interior of the forest of Congo. How they look, you know children? They are dark and short in height. If you'll observe in the picture, they are looking very short and they are very dark, and their their height is about 1 1 to 1.5 meters, and they do not have any specific language, but they use only signs and action. Pygmies are excellent hunters and they lead a nomadic life. Who are known as nomads? The people who travel from one place to another, they are known as the nomads. They hunt the animals using the bows, arrows, and spears and eat the raw food. They are fond of dance and music. You know, children, how they will kill the animals? They cover the mild poison at the tip of the spears and they kill the animals. Let us see the occupation of the people. What are their main occupations? Farming and the mining are the important occupations of the people, and their staple food is cassava. It is also known as tapioca. And how they will cultivate, you know children? First, they will clear the forest areas for farming, as the fertility of the soil will be washed away. Why it is washing away? Due to heavy rainfalls. And they again practice the shifting cultivation. As DRC, what is DRC? Democratic Republic of Congo is rich in minerals like copper, silver, gold, diamond, cobalt, etc. What all these are children? These all are minerals. So mining is an important occupation of the people, and DRC is the largest producer of cobalt in the world. What are the present developments? DRC attained independence. What this means? DRC got independence in the year 1960. Since 1971, it was known as Zaire. It was renamed as Democratic Republic of Congo in 1997, as it is difficult to reach the country through dense forest. Africa is called as dark continent by the Europeans. Next, agriculture. People are using nowadays modern techniques in agriculture, and they will grow the cash crops like cocoa, coffee, rubber on a large scale. And let us see the industries. DRC, as we know that it is rich in minerals, and many industries have developed, and they have provided employment opportunities to the people. Transport. Roads and railways are developed in cities of the country. Air transport is also developed. Waterways are useful for transportation of goods and people. Cultural and social life and languages. There are about 242 languages spoken by the people of Democratic Republic of Congo. And French is the official language and Bantu is the language of the tribal people. Islam and Christianity are the faiths followed by the people in the cities, whereas tribal people have their own way of worshipping God. Many schools and colleges provide good education to the people living in villages, towns, and cities. What are the important cities? Kinshasa is the capital of Democratic Republic of Congo. Matadi is an important seaport of DRC. Kananga and Kisangani are the major cities of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Let us read the lesson. Lifestyle of the people. The people of Congo lead a very harsh life. The hot and humid climate, dense vegetation, and the dreadful diseases caused by the insects and flies that dwell in the forest region have a great impact on the lifestyle of the people. The country is thinly populated. The largest tribe of the Congo is Bantu. People who live near the forest clear patches of forest and form small villages. They live in huts built on raised wooden platforms to protect themselves from heavy rainfall. The roofs of the houses are made of palm leaves and are thatched. The walls are made of clay. These houses do not last long because of the heavy rainfall on almost every day. The hot and damp climate also rots the wood quickly. Thus, the houses here have to be built frequently. Due to the harsh climate, people of this region often suffer from many dreadful diseases like sleeping sickness caused by the tsetse flies, malaria, yellow fever, cholera, smallpox, and typhoid. People of Congo wear light cotton clothes as very often they develop rashes and irritation on their skin. Such light clothes are also suitable for the hot and humid climate. Women wear long gowns and men wear trousers and jackets. The pygmies. Pygmies are the primitive people of the region of Congo. They are dark and short, about 1 to 1.5 meters in height. They live in the interior of the dense forest. They do not speak a specific language but use only signs and actions. Pygmies lead a nomadic life, hunting and gathering berries, nuts, fruits, honey, and roots. They are excellent hunters and use bows, arrows, and spears for hunting. They smear mild poison at the tip of the spears and kill the animals for food. They rarely cook their food. They live in small huts made of branches of trees. They cover the huts with leaves to protect themselves from heavy rains. The pygmies are fond of dance and music. Occupation of the people. The people of Congo are engaged in farming, fishing, hunting, and gathering honey. Vegetables, maize, banana, groundnut, and cassava or tapioca are grown here. The starchy roots of cassava are dried and made into flour to make bread. Cassava is the staple food of the people. They clear forest areas for farming. Heavy rainfall in the region washes away the fertile topsoil. Hence, they have to shift to a new piece of land. This type of farming is called shifting cultivation. Tsetse flies cause sleeping sickness not only to the human beings but also to the animals. Hence, it is difficult to rear domestic animals here. The Democratic Republic of Congo is rich in mineral deposits like copper, silver, gold, diamond, cobalt, zinc, manganese, tin, coal, uranium, petroleum, and cadmium. It is the world's largest producer of cobalt. Therefore, mining is also an important occupation of the people. Present developments. The Republic of the Congo attained freedom in the year 1960. Since 1971, it was known as Zaire. It was renamed the Democratic Republic of the Congo in 1997. Earlier, the region was not known to many people of the world as it was very difficult to reach the country through the dense forest. What is the meaning of dense? Thick forest. Hence, the continent of Africa was called the dark continent by the Europeans. But now, due to the advent of science and technology and development in means of transport and communication, the country of the Democratic Republic of the Congo has become one of the developing nations of the world. Agriculture. People work in huge farmlands outside the forest and adopt modern techniques of farming. Large forest areas are cleared and converted into agricultural lands. Cash crops like oil palm, cocoa, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, and cotton are grown extensively. Industries. The development of several cities has led to development in industries. Textiles means clothes. Chemicals, cement, and paper are the main industrial products. These industries provide employment to a large number of people. Employment means give jobs. Transportation. Roads and railways are well developed in the cities of the country. Air transport is also developing fast. However, water transport plays a major role in the transportation system. The river Congo and its tributaries serve as waterways for transportation of goods and people. Cultural and social life. Tribal people of the country have their own way of worshipping God. Among the developed communities, Islam and Christianity are the religions. Faiths means nothing but the religions followed by people. People are aware of the importance of education and there are schools and colleges in all major villages, towns and cities. Language. There are about 242 languages spoken in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Out of these, only Kikongo, Lingala, Shiluba, and Swahili have the status of national languages. French is the official language. Bantu is the most important language of the tribal people. Important cities of the region. Kinshasa, the capital city, is the largest city in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Matadi, on the bank of River Congo, is the major port, and Lubumbashi is rich in minerals. Some other major cities of Congo are Kananga and Kisangani. Okay, children?